Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to start your Porsche Macan. First, make sure your vehicle is in park or neutral for safety. Next, ensure your key fob is inside the car, as the system needs to detect it wirelessly. Finally, firmly press down on the brake pedal. This is a crucial step before you can engage the ignition. We'll cover the specific ignition process in the next section, making it super easy for you. Now, let's get that engine running. With the brake pedal pressed, take your key fob and insert it into the ignition slot, typically located on the left side of the steering wheel. Once inserted, turn the key clockwise to the first position. This will activate your vehicle's accessories. Then, continue turning the key further clockwise to the second position. Hold it there briefly until the engine fully starts, then release. Once you've turned the key, listen for the engine to fully engage and stabilize. You'll hear that distinctive Porsche roar come to life. After the engine is running smoothly, you can release the brake pedal. Now, select your desired gear, whether it's drive or reverse, using the gear selector. Gently press the accelerator pedal to begin moving. Remember to always drive safely and enjoy the power of your Macan. Here are a few important tips for your Macan. Always take a moment to check your dashboard for any warning lights after starting the engine. If you see anything unusual, consult your owner's manual immediately. For specific details about your particular Macan model, your owner's manual is always the best resource. Also, if you're looking to improve your financial well-being, check the description below for a link to a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other great deals. Drive safely and enjoy your Porsche.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.